Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier supports voicemail and that your account's active. Without that, setup will fail. Next, open the phone app and locate the voicemail tab. This is where you start. If a PIN or temporary greeting exists, note it now because you'll change it later. Once done, you'll access carrier prompts. Make sure you're on a stable network so audio prompts download correctly, and keep your own number handy to verify callbacks and activation codes. Once in the voicemail section, choose Setup or Visual Voicemail. This routes messages into the app for easy playback. You'll be prompted to record a greeting and create a PIN. Do it now to secure access and personalize what callers hear. Grant any permissions the app requests so messages and attachments save correctly. If your carrier uses conditional call forwarding, the app applies settings automatically. If not, the setup will provide numbers to dial to complete forwarding. Follow those prompts carefully. To finish, test your setup. Call your number from another phone and leave a message, then check that it appears in the voicemail list and plays back correctly. Make sure notifications are enabled and that your greeting and PIN are as you want them. If messages don't arrive, restart the phone and recheck permissions. Once done, verify call forwarding numbers with your carrier. If problems persist, contact carrier support. They can reset your voicemail service or put.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.